Migration Drupal 7 to Drupal 9. Migration. In Drupal, migration refers to the process of transferring data and content from one Drupal instance or another content management system to new Drupal site. It involves extracting data from the source system, transferring it to fit the structure of the target Drupal site, and then loading the data into the new site. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था, माइग्रेशन एक प्रोसेस है जो डेटा को एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर अपडेट करता है, लाइक डेटा कंटेंट फ्रॉम द Drupal इंस्टेंस और अनदर कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम टू अ न्यू Drupal साइट। यह एक एटीएल प्रोसेस है, एटीएल एक्सट्रैक्ट ट्रांसफर लोड। Drupal provides a powerful migration framework called the Migrate API, which allows developers to define the source, process, and destination for data migration. The Migrate API includes a set of classes and plugins that help streamline the migration process and handle various aspects of data transferring and managing. Here are the key components involved in Drupal migration. Source. The source represents the system or database from which data is being migrated. It can be another Drupal site, a different CMS, a CSV file, custom database, or any other source that can provide the required data. Process. The process defines how the data is transformed and manipulated during migration. It involves various operations like mapping fields, filtering data, altering values, and performing calculations or data manipulations. Destination. The destination is the target Drupal site where the data will be migrated. It includes mapping data to specific fields and entities within the Drupal site, ensuring that data is properly structured and stored. Migration. Migration in Drupal are defined as a configuration entities that describe the entire migration process. They specify the source, process, and destination settings as well as any additional configurations and dependencies. Migration plugins. Drupal provides a wide range of migration plugins that extend the functionalities of the Migrate API. This plugin handles specific tasks such as reading data from a database, parsing XML or JSON files, transferring data, mapping field, and more. Migration tool. Drupal offers several contribute modules and command line tools that simplify the migration process. Example include the Migrate Plus module, which provides additional migration functionalities, and Drush, a command line interface for managing Drupal site. Migration are extract, transfer, load ETL process. Every migration is defined as a migration plugin. Source. Extract data using source plugin. Second, transform data using process plugin. Load data using destination plugin. Migration is an extract, transform, data load process in Drupal Migrate API. Extract phase is called source, transform phase is called process, load phase is called destination. Module required. Migrate module contain API to migrate content and configuration to Drupal 8. Migrate Drupal module help in migrating content and configuration from a Drupal source site to Drupal 8. Migrate Drupal UI module, a user interface to perform the migration. Migrate Plus module provide capabilities to transform source data and API for grouping migration. Migrate tool module, a contribute module that offers extend Drush command to manage Drupal 8 migration. Drupal Upgrade, a contribute module used to create the migration YML script.